Howdy, howdy. Today is Monday, June 16th, about 7 p.m. And my last job of the day was a little funny. It was a Samsung front load washing machine, VRT style. And this is what your front load washer looks like when the tub shocks are worn out. Check this out. Oh, and by the way, that wasn't all that was wrong with it. After I investigated, there were some more problems. Stay to the end and you'll see. So this is shaking like crazy. It's an empty washer, but it's a Samsung VRT. It's just in a rinse and spin, but as it's spinning, it's shaking like crazy. Needs tub shocks, for one thing. Okay, so what I found out was not only was this machine tub shocks worn out, I opened the door and I lifted up on the basket, the silver part inside that you put your laundry in, and it would rock up and down quite a bit, about 2 inches, maybe inch and a half. And so the bearing in the shaft is shot for the basket. If you are interested to know what that looks like, I have a video that I did an LG front load washer about a month ago or so, where we had to replace the basket shaft, the spider shaft, and the bearings, shaft bearings, tub shaft bearings, and the tub seal. That was a doozy. So anyway, this machine today had the tub shocks worn out, which was, you saw, and then it also had the basket shaft bearings and seal worn. So we advise customer to replace the machine. Anyway, guys, have a good one. I'll talk to you later on the Handyman channel.